There are many lawnmower products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best lawnmowers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sun Joe Lawnmower. Rating 4.4. 12-amp motor rakes a 12.6 wide path to get your job done faster. Adjustable deck. Tailor raking depth with 5-position depth control. Scarified. Use the scarified function to cut grass roots for thicker growth and healthier lawns. Air boost technology. Spring steel tines for maximum thatch pickup. Included. Detachable thatch collection bag for easy disposal. Number 4. Greenworks 48 volts. Rating 4.4. 2x24V20 mower kit. 24V10 string trimmer. 24V 320 CFM leaf blower. Get more done faster with Greenworks electric lawnmowers. This 48V self-propelled lawnmower provides up to 45 minutes of runtime with a fully charged 5.0 battery. Varies based on grass condition and operator technique. Front wheels. 8 inches brushless motor durable steel deck. This electric mower features a durable 21 deck and a highly efficient brushless motor that provides more torque, quiet operation, and longer life. Number 3. Wild Badger Power Lawnmower. Rating 4.5. The speed is up to 3,400 RPM. Providing premium cutting and improving working efficiency. 40V batteries provide up to 30 minutes runtime. Brushless motor offers 20% more power and extended engine life. 60 min to fully charge the battery once. 5 cutting height adjustments. You can adjust the cutting height directly between 0.98 and 3.14. According to your preference or seasons. 11-gallon large collection bag can hold lots of waste at once, which saves labor and reduces waste disposal costs. This lawnmower can be quickly folded and stored within 5 seconds, which is convenient for storage and space saving. Number 2. Rock and Rocker Lawnmower. Rating 4.5. 3-rod handle height adjustment. Meet users of different heights. Long hours of work will not be tired. Double safety switch designed to prevent accidental touch and ensure safety. Rock and Rocker electric deathacre scarifier with 16 wide path in one single pass. Very efficient. The widest working size of its kind in the market, and ideal for home garden lawns. Deathacre removes the thick layer of dead plants. Scarifier stops thatch growth. Regular lawn care lets the lawn breathe better, for healthier turf growth. Get your lawn in the top green. Number 1. Mower Robotic Lawnmower. Rating 5.0. Robotic lawnmowers now boast cutting-edge CTOF technology, enabling them to rapidly detect and pinpoint any breaks in the boundary wire. This advanced feature does away with the hassle of manual searching, as it precisely highlights the break location within the accompanying app. As a result, repairing boundary lines becomes a swift and effortless task, greatly reducing maintenance time and effort. Rain detection feature. The robotic lawn mower automatically returns to its base station when it senses rain. Once the rain stops, it resumes mowing from the exact spot where it left off, ensuring a seamless and efficient lawn care experience. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.